The Mercedes C300 key fob uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. This standard battery powers all the fob's functions. To replace it, locate the slide latch on the side or back of the fob. This small tab releases the housing. Use a small screwdriver or key to gently slide the latch, which will pop open the fob's two halves. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is up with the positive plus marking. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring proper alignment. Then, snap the two halves of the fob back together securely. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. After replacing the battery, test the fob's functions: remote locking and unlocking, panic button, and trunk release. If the fob doesn't work immediately, try cycling the ignition by turning the key to position 2 and pressing the buttons. To avoid damage, always ground yourself to prevent electrostatic discharge using an anti-static wrist strap. Automotive experts expect trends to shift toward rechargeable fobs, app-based reprogramming, and potentially battery-free NFC-enabled or biometric fobs in the coming years. Remember to recycle the old battery at an appropriate facility.